If you are looking for a simple and natural way to boost your health, you may want to try drinking a mixture of olive oil and lemon juice every morning. This combination has been used for centuries in the Mediterranean region as a home remedy for various ailments. But what are the benefits of olive oil and lemon juice, and how do they work together? Let's find out. Lemon juice, a source of vitamin C and flavonoids. Lemon juice is another staple of the Mediterranean diet, as it adds a refreshing flavor and acidity to many dishes and drinks. Lemon juice is also a great source of vitamin C, which is essential for your immune system, skin health, wound healing, and collagen production. Vitamin C also helps your body absorb iron from plant sources. Lemon juice also contains flavonoids, which are plant compounds that have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Flavonoids may help prevent or treat infections, allergies, inflammation, and chronic diseases. One medium lemon, approximately 58 grams, provides about 31 milligrams of vitamin C, which is 34% of the daily value. It is recommended to consume about half a lemon or 29 grams per day to get its health benefits. Enjoying this video and learning something new? Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Olive oil, a healthy fat with antioxidants. Olive oil is one of the main components of the Mediterranean diet, which is considered one of the healthiest diets in the world. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fatty acids, which are good for your heart, cholesterol levels, blood pressure, and inflammation. Olive oil also contains polyphenols, which are natural antioxidants that protect your cells from oxidative stress and damage. Extra virgin olive oil is the highest quality type of olive oil, as it is extracted from fresh olives without using heat or chemicals. This oil has the most nutrients and flavor compared to other types of olive oil. It is recommended to consume about 2 tablespoons or 30 milliliters of extra virgin olive oil per day to get its health benefits. Check out our other video from the top right corner for more information on extra virgin olive oil. How olive oil and lemon juice work together. Some people claim that drinking olive oil and lemon juice together can have additional benefits than consuming them separately. Some of these benefits include improving digestion. Olive oil and lemon juice may stimulate the production of bile, which helps break down fats and absorb nutrients. They may also prevent constipation by lubricating the intestines and promoting bowel movements. Detoxifying the body. Olive oil and lemon juice may help flush out toxins and waste from the liver, gallbladder, kidneys, and colon. They may also alkalize the blood and balance the pH levels in the body. Preventing gallstones. Olive oil and lemon juice may help dissolve or prevent the formation of gallstones, which are hard deposits that can block the bile ducts and cause pain and inflammation. Promoting weight loss. Olive oil and lemon juice may help boost your metabolism and burn more calories throughout the day. They may also suppress your appetite and reduce cravings by providing healthy fats and vitamin C. Enhancing skin health. Olive oil and lemon juice may help improve your skin health by providing antioxidants, vitamin C, and monounsaturated fatty acids. They may also hydrate your skin, reduce inflammation, fight acne, lighten scars, and prevent wrinkles. How to drink olive oil and lemon juice. To enjoy the benefits of olive oil and lemon juice, you need to use high-quality ingredients and follow some simple guidelines. Here are some tips on how to drink olive oil and lemon juice. Use extra virgin olive oil that is cold-pressed, unrefined, organic, and stored in a dark glass bottle. Use fresh lemons that are organic, ripe, and juicy. Avoid bottled lemon juice or concentrate that may contain added sugar or preservatives. Mix 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil with 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice in a small glass or cup. Drink this mixture on an empty stomach every morning before breakfast. Wait at least 30 minutes before eating anything else. You can also add some warm water or herbal tea to dilute the mixture if you find it too strong or acidic. You can also use olive oil and lemon juice as a salad dressing or marinade for your vegetables, fish, chicken, or meat. Potential downsides of olive oil and lemon juice. While olive oil and lemon juice are generally safe and healthy to consume, there are some possible downsides to be aware of. These include allergic reactions. Some people may be allergic to olive oil or lemon juice and experience symptoms such as hives, itching, swelling, or difficulty breathing. If you have any known allergies or sensitivities, consult your doctor before trying this combination. Acid reflux. Drinking olive oil and lemon juice on an empty stomach may trigger acid reflux or heartburn in some people, especially those who have gastroesophageal reflux disease/GERD or a hiatal hernia. This is because the acidic lemon juice can irritate the esophagus and the stomach lining. Nausea or diarrhea. Drinking too much olive oil and lemon juice may cause nausea or diarrhea in some people, especially if they have a sensitive stomach or digestive issues. This is because the high fat content of olive oil can slow down digestion and the high acidity of lemon juice can stimulate bowel movements. Tooth enamel erosion. Drinking acidic beverages like lemon juice can erode the tooth enamel over time, leading to tooth sensitivity, cavities, or discoloration. To prevent this, you can rinse your mouth with water after drinking olive oil and lemon juice, or use a straw to minimize contact with your teeth. Should you combine olive oil and lemon juice? Olive oil and lemon juice are both rich in antioxidants, anti-inflammatory agents, and vitamins that can support your health. If you want to try this combination, make sure you use high-quality extra virgin olive oil and fresh lemon juice, and drink it in moderation. It is advisable to consult your doctor or dietitian before trying this combination. Thank you for watching. Check out our other videos for a bit of insight into different topics.